So a couple of weeks ago, me and my father took a road trip out to Cheyenne Mountain to visit my uncle for a couple of days. And man, we had a great time. Cheyenne Mountain is part of the Rocky Mountains and the Front Range in Colorado. The mountain is named after the Cheyenne Native Americans tribe, whose name comes from a Dakota word meaning people of different speech. The Cheyenne were originally farmers from the Great Lakes area of Minnesota, but were driven to the Great Plains by the Dakota Sioux in the middle 1700s. Cheyenne Mountain is home to about 1,000 acres of state park with a variety of ecosystems and is the last significant open space along the southern section of the Colorado Front Range. The mountain and its surrounding area are also steeped in history, with sites such as the Broadmoor, North Cheyenne Canyon, and Fort Carson Army Base. Native Americans also visited the mountain, using its wood for teepee poles and seeking spiritual inspiration from its waterfalls. Built during the Cold War era, the NORAD bunker is designed to withstand a nuclear explosion and serves as an alternate command center for NORAD and U.S. Northcom. So pretty much the whole week we ended up staying on this trail called Gold Camp Road, and it goes in between Colorado Springs and Cripple Creek. And it was super cool, tons of trails that just branched off from this main trail. Some really cool off-roading, a little bit of rock crawling, lots of boulders out there. Had to take it easy in some spots. We did a little hiking on the first day. Checked out the sights, took a little trail out to Mount Baldy. On the second day, we actually went out to this really cool place. It was a military museum called Dragon Man's. Dude, this museum was insane. You walk in and it's a guns dealership. And not only a guns dealership, but automatic rifles, fully automatic. They had tons of World War II stuff, World War I, Vietnam, Korean, all the wars. They even had, the last little part was like a Civil War and French and Indian War exhibit. And then you get to the very end and it's super cool. It's like, he calls it his Elvis exhibit, but it's just got all this really cool stuff from like the 1950s, golden era. Oh, dude, it was too cool. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're digging this kind of content, be sure to let me know in the comments and I will make some future videos in this format. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon.